Okay. At the count of 3, get your materials. You have 5 minutes. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ang nauna kong nakita is yung baso. So, kinuha-kuha ko na lang kung anong gusto kong kuhanin. Pero, yung mga shade ko is mga silver, gray, white, ganun lang. Para hindi masyadong magmukhang basura pag halo-halo kasi yung colors.
Time's up, designers. Go to your tables now.
Ayun, mga baso, mga plastic cups, mga paper cups. Anong gagawin ko doon? Anong gagawin ko ng airplane? Gagawin ko siyang isang malaking table arrangement na dress. I got various fabrics, pero retaso. My fabrics are pangbasahan. So, kailangan ko talagang mag-risk again.
Okay, designers. This challenge is all about exploring your creative side while being environment conscious.
It's the vision. I think I have the right vision for this challenge.
Okay, you have 30 minutes to sketch your design. Your time starts now.
I only got ketchup for the base, but I took most of the unconventional materials, most plastics, and I'll be using wires. So the design would be all about wiring.
I am really lucky and happy to have the immunity this time around. Kasi the avant-garde chart is not really my cup of tea. Talagang hirap talaga akong, sabi nga ni Sir Georgie, kailangan daw ibaliw-baliwan. Oh, hindi ako marunong baliw-baliwan sa akin.
Time's up, designers. Put your sketch pads away. Okay, this challenge is a one-day challenge. So manage your time well. I'll see you tonight. Bye-bye. Work, work, work.
Jeno is improving a lot. From day one, I think he has this vision.
I'm not confident at all. This challenge is like my societal challenge already because everyone are expecting that this is my moment to shine.
I think Jeno is a dark horse.
Well, I know I'm dark, but I'm not a horse. Ayoko nun. Gusto ko kung anong meron ka. Pakita mo na. Dark horse, dark horse. Ayoko ng ganyang moment na pa-drama-drama pang dark horse. Kasi hindi ako naniniwala sa mga dark horse na parang bigla na lang boom. Hindi, kung magaling ka na talaga eh. It will be obvious. Gusto ko ma-achieve yung parang monochromatic yung design, yung color, ma-achieve. So, pinofocus ko lang na maayos yung base kasi yung lalabas na structure talaga nung garment ko. Pero mas maganda to. Nakit sa tagal. Parang, kapupunit.
Okay, so are you ready for the fitting?
Bali, the garment is quite restricting. I played with the plastic. So, medyo, kayo naman, I put bubble plastics underneath so that the model won't be hurt.
Oh, may accessories pa.
Siya po lang kung bagay, pero if hindi nag-work.
Okay. So what's the bottom part?
The bottom part, sir, I'm planning to make a high cut short. The super fitted. Hindi ko lang alam kung
Kanya
should I
maso.
use kanyamaso or katsa na lang. I think kanyamaso would.
Ay, that's too stiff.
Oo nga.
Masakit yan.
Should I put lining?
Well, if you're gonna use that, you have to put lining. Sige. Ganun naman pang simba yan. The way I see your outfit, it feels normal. Yung parang, okay, you have plastic bag, plastic shades, ganyan, but then, this is still normal. So yun, parang,
Kailangan ko siya
not naman dagdagan, but parang make it, something different. Yun, sige isipin mo.
Sige po, sir. Ito, sir, gusto ko, sa loob kasi, sir, magiging nude siya. Gusto kong, kaya nagpakuha ko sa inyo ng tube na flesh lang po para hindi masyadong vulgar.
Paano pag bumulan?
Ay, hindi na po siya lalabas pag bumulan. Pang summer lang po siya kasi mainit, kaya presko, bukas lahat.
Kasi, parang this reminds me of like, a parlor game in school. Wherein the contestants are asked to, okay, make a dress out of paper. Like that.
So, for me, para siyang isang drowned na babae. So, I wanna make this seemingly like water. So, meron akong gagawin dito. So, gusto ko parang cadaver na din sa baba. Kasi ito na lang ako.
And what are you doing here?
I'm making more accessories na parang cadaver effect.
That's an accessory.
Dito po sa loob. Para di masyadong bare.
Okay. So that will simulate
Ang body
decomposition,
yeah.
ganyan.
I'm so gonna die.
Interesting.
So, may water pa siya effect later. So, parang, dito parang it shows na nalulunod na babae.
Malulunod pero nagde-decompose na.
Nalulunod kasi kinain siya ng shark.
Okay, so designers, you have until midnight to work on your outfits. And so I'll just see you tomorrow morning for another consultation before runway.
Ay, ako yun ha, sunugin mo.
Oo, sunugin ko talaga.
Pag ikaw yung nadala at ako yung natanggal, isusunod kita sa judge.
Hindi ko talaga susunugin. Pinturahan ko lang ng bongga-bongga.
Kaya sunugin mo. Kailangan nyo ng sunog.
Oo nga kasi nga diba, nasunog yung mga pangarap nila.
Ba't may story parati yung damit?
Lahat ng damit ko kailangan may story, may explanation.
Bakit?
Ha? Siyempre, yun yung, kumbaga doon ka na-inspire. Yun yung, doon nanggagaling yung yung artistry. Yun yung pinaka-foundation.
Jimmy!
Wala.
Come on!